What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and as you can tell, it's super gorgeous outside today. Today's video is sponsored by Salty Captain, and they must have seen one of the vlogs the other day, because I'm telling you, this car was so dirty, not only on the outside but on the inside as well. And so they sent us over a good little box of stuff, and today we're going to review all of it. And my goal for this video is to not only show how good the products work, but to use specifically just everything inside the box. So that's the goal. Thank you guys for tuning in once again, and thank you so much, Salty Captain, for sending this stuff out. I'm super excited, and I can't wait to see how good it works. So that being said, y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And if y'all do like this video, there's going to be a link down below for where you can get this, and use my creator code Treymoney for 15% off. So thank you guys once again, and with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into this box, and we're going to see everything that we got today. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. First thing out, some microfiber towels. Ooh, scan code for video. I have to do that. So this packaging is actually really nice, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, those feel good.
Yeah, they got certain colors for certain.
Yo, these are good.
Yeah, so grays, body and paint, brown,
yo,
tires, purple, glass and mirrors, nice.
Dashboard, console, purples. All right guys, y'all gotta help me remember this. Yo, ow, they gave me two.
One's probably for your paint, one's for the
All right, we got some brushes. Oh, I feel those. Those are good.
yeah, one's aggressive. Nice.
Yo, this is actually kind of crazy. I'm actually super geeked right now. This is for the separation of dirt. That keeps all the sediments and all the contaminants at the bottom underneath the bucket. All right, this is what we're gonna be using right here as far as our foam cannon.
For the garbage, yeah.
Multi-purpose wash gun. Put that right there. Yo, this is so much stuff. I'm actually... Yo! I don't even have to use my new towel.
Oh, shoot, dude. Nice.
That's crazy. We got
Very nice.
good little sponge here. All right. First thing out is Grease Attack. Let's see. Ultimate biodegradable greaser with raw natural cleaning ability. So if y'all don't know, the owners are from Australia. So a lot of what they do is off-roading. I'm just super excited to see how well this does for just a daily driver, because this is really for like the guys that go off-roading in those big trucks. Got some glass cleaner right here. Post-wash hydro coat. Ultimate post-wash formula for your vehicle with drip dry. You can achieve a hydrophobic effect on the surface of your vehicle in a matter of seconds. This revolutionary formula can be applied by dilution in the captain's musket. This is the foam, or the actual wash right here. Let's see. Interior cleaner. And then this should be tire, yep. All right guys, this is everything right here that we're gonna be using today, and the vacuum, not a sponsor. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. Let's see, star of the show right here. Thank you. Okay. There might be a lot of thank yous here in a second. Thank you. Thank you. For assembly.
Ah, we don't need that.
Yeah.
We're connected. And this is just for like
Oh, different usage. What is this one for? That's what I really like about this is, so for, not gonna say any names, you know what I mean, not trying to step on any toes. There is another kit that I have used that you have to detach the whole attachment to use the water.
Gotcha.
So for this, off position, rinse, and then it actually uses the foam for full. So I don't have to detach anything for this.
It should be on the off position. Imagine the
I about got. All right, so we pretty much got everything working here. These are our 2 attachments. We're just gonna see how this does. All right.
Yeah, so that's the soap setting.
That's rinse.
Water. Yep.
Now let's see. Can I just, yeah, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Dad.
What's this? Right there, buddy.
Oh.
You twist that tip.
Oh, twist. Okay, cool. I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of pooping on it, but this is actually really cool. Do you wanna do that for the foam or that?
Oh, this for the foam.
Okay. What was that for?
I don't know, I was having fun.
Oh. Oh! Bro, this is actually so cool. I feel like a kid right now. Bro, if I'd have had this, bro, I'd have been firing everybody up. Get that. How you like them apples? Do it 50. Oh my gosh, I'm really Himothy.
Okay.
If it just spilled.
Imagine.
All right, all right. Perfect. All right, good.
Yeah, so I did.
It's getting soap in there by accident somehow. So pretty much how we start on washing cars, we start with the dirtiest part, and the dirtiest part is always going to be the tires. And so after we clean the tires up real good, then we work our way down from the top. So you're gonna get a lot of grease and brake dust through here, so we'll just let this work. Whipping that thing, huh? That does look pretty good.
No, it works really good actually.
That felt a little different. I need to work out. Oh.
Send that straight to me.
Okay. Bro, this is really good. We are gonna hit them with a little bit of tire shine. Why do we do this?
You don't want to put like a lot of tire shine on after you wash it, because obviously tire shine's going to sling no matter what.
Yeah.
So at least with doing this before, you get a little bit of the tire shine look, but you don't have the sling on the whole side of the vehicle. So,
gotcha.
Just kind of gets it all, makes it like a smooth matte finish with a little bit of gloss.
Hmm.
So look at that one.
You got me good. Yep.
Does it say to use it in the cannon, or does it say?
Yeah, using the cannon. All right, then I'm gonna.
What am I doing? You want me to record?
All right. Looks like it's really starting to kick in now.
Yep. Probably trying to make it away now.
Doesn't matter about the tires, does it?
I go back around and hit water everything. Don't hit me. And then come get this quarter so I can see it in the sun with the beanie.
Okay. Golly, bro.
Yeah, so I'm keeping it right here.
Good?
Feels good, bro.
Good job.
Let me get where it's wet first.
Ready?
Go for it.
That does look good. So good you can see the scratches in my paint.
Hey.
Y'all ready? Here we go. Yeah, man, she looked good. I'm not gonna lie to you. And the funny thing is, me and Bo actually used some pretty high grade washing materials. The stuff you buy in bulk. And man, I gotta say, we're actually really impressed with how good this stuff did. This is some good stuff. So thank you so much, Salty Captain. Man, we are so happy to be able to make this video. We're just blessed overall. Now that we're done with the outside, we're gonna clean up the interior a little bit with this interior cleaner, superior interior cleaner. Let me rephrase. Let's see here. Gotta be careful right here, Bo.
Oh yeah. Don't wanna.
Good.
Yep.
Look at that. That looks so much better.
Oh yeah. Flip that sucker over. I'd probably say that's good for over.
Yeah.
Video wise. Yeah. So I'll flip it back over if you got too much product on. Right here.
Where?
See there.
Yeah.
You're gonna smear it full with full product, that's one thing. So you're gonna, yeah. So whenever you do that,
Yeah, it looks super good. No, I mean, we are used to using professional grade cleaning supplies, and like, anytime we get any cleaning supplies, we're always skeptical about what we're getting. But with this, it was like, as soon as we started doing the tires, we kind of knew. We knew it was like definitely better than the regular off the market stuff. Like, this is quality stuff, guys. That's what I was saying. Like, these dudes are from Australia, you know what I mean? So like, they're perfecting the craft. If they're cleaning up them trucks that are going off-roading, I knew what it was going to be. But as y'all can tell, like, this is some quality stuff. Once again, huge shout out to Salty Captain. We're definitely impressed. This is some good quality stuff. Brought the interior back to life a little bit. Yeah, the foam cannon, that's next level. Like, I wish that was one of the first things that I got when I started washing cars.
Oh yeah, and it's really cool. You know, if you don't have a pressure washer, you could definitely just hook your hose up. And this,
yeah,
you know, it works the same. So.
Exactly. But once again, thank you, Salty Captain. This was such an honor to be able to make this video. As you can tell, your product works, and then some. So we're impressed once again. Be sure to go hit the link down below and use code Treymoney for 15% off. Well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again for another video. Be sure to stay tuned because we got a lot more videos, getting a lot more sponsors. People are reaching out. We also got a lot of parts to install, so we got some good things to install in the next couple of videos. With that being said, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next one, man. Deuces.
Take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.